Blizzard, Ice, and Yeti. In this video, these 3 devil fruits give to complete 3 C's in blox fruit to reach level 2600 and shark v4. Alright, let's start with blizzard fruit. Z. Snowflake shuriken. Alright, let's start the journey. If you find this video interesting, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any good ideas, please leave a comment and I will do it. Comment your idea, your name and the gift you want below. I will choose the person with the idea that best fits the channel and give the gift to that person. Haha, they can't deal any damage to me. I've reached level 10, let's go to jungle.
Watch out! The floor is lava!
I've reached level 20, let's defeat Gorilla King. I've reached level 30, let's go to Pirate Village. I've reached level 55, let's defeat Bobby. F. Tornado Flight. Bobby will be defeated by this snowstorm soon. I've reached level 60, let's go to Desert. I've reached level 90, let's go to Frozen Village. Let's buy some abilities. Alright, let's back to grinding. I've reached level 105, let's defeat Yeti. I've reached level 120, let's go to Marine Fortress. I've reached level 130, let's defeat Vice Admiral X Whiteout. I've reached level 150, let's go to Skylands. I've reached level 190, let's go to prison. I've reached level to 2-0. Let's defeat Warden. C. Howling Wind. I've reached level to 3-0. Let's defeat Chief Warden. I've reached level to 4-0. Let's defeat Swan. I've reached level to 5-0. Let's go to Coliseum. I've reached level 300. Let's defeat Saber to get observation hockey. Alright, let's go to Upper Sky. Okay, let's back to grinding. I've reached level 350. Let's defeat Magma Admiral. I've reached level 375. Let's go to Underwater City. I've reached level for 2-5. Let's defeat Fishman Lord. I've reached level for 5-0. Let's go to Upper Sky. I've reached level 500. Let's defeat Whisper v Blizzard Domain expansion.
Bruh.
I've reached level 575. Let's defeat Thunder God. I've reached level 6-5. Let's go to Fountain City. Collect blue ice berry to craft aura color. I've reached level 675. Let's defeat Cyborg. I've reached level 700. Time to go to C2. Alright, let's go. I'm at C2.S, so it's time we use our new power. Before that I will go find someone who sells hockey color. Before that I have to pick up some more berries. Here he is. I need more blueberry. In C2 I will use the power of ice fruit. Alright, let's buy blue hockey. Cool, I got it. Let's see. Alright, let's back to grinding. Z, ice spears. X, ice surge. C, ice burst. V, glacial epic. Go ice raid to upgrade ice's power. New Z cold storm. Keep going. F, ice skating. X, glacial surge. C, frozen dragon. V, absolute zero. All my skills have been upgraded. We need to get shark rays. Come back to cafe. Brew, not this one. Try again. Alright, I got shark rays. Let's back to grinding. Ice gives us a trident, so farming levels will be very fast. I've reached level 750. Let's defeat Diamond. I've reached level 850. Let's defeat Jeremy. I've reached level 875. Let's go to green zone. I've reached level 95. Let's defeat Vegeta. I've reached level 950. Let's go to graveyard. I've reached level 1000. Time to get Shark V3. Defeat Jeremy. Colosseum Quest. Flower Quest. Red Flower. Yellow Flower, Blue Flower. Alright, I got Shark V2. Defeat Don Swan. Shark V3 Puzzle. Defeat Sea Beast. Cool, I got Shark V3, let's back to grinding. I've reached level 1100, let's go to hot and cold. I've reached level 1150, let's defeat Smoke Admiral. I've reached level 1 to 50, let's go to Cursed Ship. I've reached level 1350, let's go to Ice Castle. I've reached level 1400, let's defeat Ice Admiral. I've reached level 1425, let's go to Forgotten Island. I've reached level 1475, let's defeat Tidekeeper. I've reached level 1500, time to go to C3. Defeat Rip Indra. Alright, let's go. I am in C3. Here I will use Yeti Fruit to reach Shark V4 at level 2600. Alright, let's get Shark V4 first. Defeat Rip Indra True Form. Defeat Katakuri V2. Hooray! I got Mirror Fractal. Let's go to Mirage Island and find blue gear. Use V3 and look at the moon. Find the blue gear before the island disappears. Here it is. Finally, I got it. Let's Jumo into first trial now. First trial of Shark V4. Cool, I got Shark V4. Let's see. I won't be more stronger. Keep going. Second trial. Third trial. Last trial. Awesome, I got Shark V for full gear. Now I will use the power of Yeti to destroy C3.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Z Arctic Clash. X Frostbite Boulder. C Glacial Execution. F Tundra Rush. I've reached level 1550. Let's defeat Stone. I've reached level 1575. Let's go to Hydra Island. V Transformation. In this form I can use M1, and all of my skill are upgraded. I've reached level 1675, let's defeat Hydra Leader. I've reached level 1700, let's go to Great Tree. I've reached level 1750. Let's defeat Kilo Admiral. I've reached level 1775. Let's go to Floating Turtle. I've reached level 1875. Let's defeat Captain Elephant. I've reached level 1950. Let's defeat Beautiful Pirate. Brew, I missed Take Quest. Try again. I've reached level 1975. Let's go to Haunted Castle. I've reached level 2075. Let's go to Peanut Island. I've reached level 1 to 5. Let's go to Ice Cream Island. I've reached level 175. Let's defeat Cake Queen. I've reached level 200. Let's go to Cake Island. I've reached level 300. Let's go to Chocolate Island. I've reached level 400. Let's go to Candy Cane Island. I've reached level 450. Let's go to Tiki Outpost. Alright, I've reached level 600. With Shark V4, by the power of Devil Fruit, Ice, Blizzard and Yeti Fruit. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. And don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.